Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Harley Davidson FLSTC. This is the Heritage Softail Classic, beautiful retro style. Only 1,400 miles on this gorgeous black Harley. It's got that really cool air cleaner, and wait till you hear this awesome sounding exhaust. Again, 1,400 miles on this gorgeous Heritage Classic. Come on by and make your Harley Davidson dreams come true for just $11,999. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. 103 cubic inch, 6-speed tranny. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.